So we're up here, going back to the beach again, but this is the Naval Aviation Monument, and they have different places here. This is very nice. So Naval Air Station Oceania, you have, there you are. I'm not sure if you can see it clear, but this aviation monument is dedicated to honor all those who serve with this great nation. Aww. It's all about honor, courage, commitment. Look at that. You have different things, different events that happen throughout the naval aviation history. So this is where it started. Look here, just gonna show you this one right here, this person. So where it began, the birthplace of carrier aviation. Oh, 1911 to 1939. Look at that. Where's the next one? And you look at here, Marines, Navy, and Coast Guard. And look at this right here, the different kinds of aircraft carrier all throughout history. Oh, this is so nice. And this is here in Virginia. Look at that right there. They're honoring those who were able to serve the history of the aircraft carrier. Then we have here so many things that you can see, and it's through the years. It's been here a long time, and I'll show you where are the places that they've been to. So the new Navy right there. Look at that, it's aircraft carrier. There you are. Look at that. Here. This is when they return home to their families. And then I'm gonna show you. So see that? The team, the modern force, naval aviation on the 21st century. Oh, that is the transition throughout. Oh, look at this. The naval aviation right there. And this is when the duty is over. Then they can return to their family. Oh, that's so sweet. I'll show you that they've been to the Philippines, the Cornerstone. So this is it right here. It's in the middle of the Virginia Beach. There's a location where you can see the Naval Aviation Monument. Look at this. Look at that. And here, see, where's the Philippines? Went to the Philippines. So they have that, the cornerstone of naval aviation. Oh, and the last one is here. You see Prince William. That's right there. Okay, and so see you later, guys.